Good morning.
Good morning. Shell's just making the van ready to travel.
Yep. The morning sort out, aren't we?
It's Sunday, so I've been able to have a shave, albeit just an electric razor shave, but I feel so much better about life. My skin's a bit dry underneath, but hopefully Shell will have a nice face cream I can just put on, because I don't think I've got my aftershave balm for when I use the electric shaver with me, so...
There's no face cream that's going to fix that bounce.
Well, yeah, the hair, nothing's fixing the hair. But yeah, we've just packed away. It seems like any night in the van is a good night, isn't it, really?
Yes, it slept really well. Slept really, really well. You heard somebody go past at 6:30 and beep the horn.
Yeah, they beat the horn. Either kids or whatever. But anyway, it only woke me up. It didn't wake anybody else up. Maximus decided to wake up. It's just started spitting, but it was a lovely spot here. We're just down the road from the castle. I can't remember the blinking name of the castle. I'm terrible with names. Yeah, we don't know where we are, really. Tim asked last night, where are you? And I said, I don't know, mate. And he said, oh, right. But yeah, we're just converted from night mode to day mode. I'm not tucking Shell's bed in here because it just touches the metal. So it was getting a little bit moist as the temperature dropped. But we didn't turn the chair last night.
No call time.
Oh, where have you put my camera? Okay, move over to your seat a minute. And I just want to sit in because it started to rain. I will do in a minute. Just move over to your seat a minute. Oh. Not right now, in a minute. I'm sitting over here though because it's just starting to spit a bit. But it's still a lovely morning here. And last night you had great fun, didn't you? Yes. You went fishing. Oh, you've got toothpaste all over your chops. Will you just pass me a wipe, please, Mum?
Yes.
Is it toothpaste or cheese?
Cheese.
Oh, it's white cheese. He's got white cheese all over his chops. He's doing the van. Thank you. Stand.
Doing like Wolfie does.
Yep. What about your fingers? Do they need doing?
No.
No. Okay then. Oh, what was I saying? Yes, so we went down the beach last night, as you saw, and Maximus decided to fully submerge himself. And once we got back, the shower looked... I mean, I cleaned all that shower yesterday morning, didn't I, when we were at Elsdon, because they had all the facilities to obviously just clean out and sort out. But we've used...
It was like a swan.
It was. We've used most of our water sorting him out. But he fulfilled his sensory needs with that one. People look at us sometimes from the top as if to say, what's he doing in there at this time of day? The water will be freezing cold. I don't think it's any colder from day to night, really, for him. And he loves it. Like I say, he'll come home and if he's had a hard day at school, Shell says, do you want a cold bath? And he'll go and sit in a cold bath quite happily. And chill out, won't you? Yeah, you like the cold water, don't you? Yeah. Does it make you feel better about life?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go, you see. He wants me to copy the van. So, yeah, we're going to finish packing up and we're going to move from here today because it's very busy here in the daytime, it would seem. But it was a beautiful spot, and last night down on that beach.
Oh, it was lovely. You know, for a beach, it was very sheltered, wasn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't really a beach, was it? It was more like a rocky outcrop.
Yeah, rocky coves, maybe.
So that's us for this morning, and we'll see you in a bit.
See you later.
Bye.
Ready?
Yeah. Shopping's on YouTube.
Do you want me to put it in the video?
Yeah.
Okay, I will do. Just for you.
Really?
There we go.
Leave no trace.
Okay. Low Bridgeway, wasn't it?
Yeah.
2.7, no chance for Wolfie under there.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind.
The old photograph that looks more like. Oh, there we go.
I packed our bags, we'll be on our way.
I've got this camera. I'm looking for the other camera.
The night was long as I waited side, 'cause I know what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together.
That's a bit nice as well, isn't it? That church is lovely. I bet you know as many people go to church as they do the castle.
It's been 72 weeks in this town.
We drove along the Northumberland coastline. It was very pretty. We saw castles and churches. We got to Berwick upon Tweed and got some water.
What I got off the ground.
Shelf again. Full traps with the water. There we go.
Matters to me.
We always seem to have a tap outside, so I think we've used 2 shelves
What do you
now.
want?
Morrison's,
What's your biggest
they've always had water as well. And the fuel's not bad price here as well.
When we went over into Scotland, while we got some tea before heading back to Northumberland to Vanlife Park for a night.
Just like the lottery, I just hope we could stay together. We wait and see.
This is a little old bridge, isn't it?
The chances are small,
Ingram
just like
Bridge.
the lottery.
Explore the Breamish Valley. I don't know what you'll be able to see, if you'll be able to see anything. We're at a little place called Ingram Bridge. We were on the main road, the A6 something or other, and it was incredibly noisy. Let's point that up a bit or something. Yeah, it was incredibly noisy, so we've come down here. There's no signs of restriction or anything. It's really old. I don't know what you'll be able to see. The river and the rapids are down there. It's too dark. There's an old bridge, which I guess is Ingram Bridge. A little pathway to the bridge. So we're there. You are here. Valley Cottage Cafe, Ingram Mill. Come on. Good night, all.
So we've just left the van at the park up in Ingram and we're just walking down this lovely woodland path to the cafe. Apparently they sell light bites, we're hoping for a bacon butty secretly, but we'll see, and apparently some local art and whatnot, so we'll see what they've got to offer.
hear that crow?
What?
Can you hear the crow? Oh, thanks. And there's the church. Stunning.
Did you just walk over the river?
It's quite fast and high this morning. Yeah. Been a lot of rain, hasn't there? So there was a local chap down there, and he said he normally comes all the time with his kids, but he's moved further up because it's too fast and too high at the moment.
Ah, okay. Well, we're going to have a look down anyway.
Yeah. But it is.
Yeah. Thank you.
No worries. Oh yes, the cafe is open.
The Breamish Valley then.
This is Breamish Valley, yeah. Might get a magnet here, shall? Morning.
Morning. No, it's not the water. I don't know. It's not the water. It's all the boulders. Yeah. No, my car's got this taste. Hi.
Oh, they've got glass like, but they've got no magnet.
Do you like the blackbird?
Oh, the blackbird's cute, isn't he?
Lovely. So we've come into the cafe at Ingram, haven't we? And we're having a bacon butty, a cup of coffee, and Maximus has got his lemonade. Very big.
Massive. I was getting some strange looks again.
There's Maximus's lemonade. Cheers, Maximus.
Yeah, there's this bit.
Well, that was lovely in there, wasn't it?
It was nice. Nice little cafe. We had a bacon butty each.
Lots of local artists selling their work.
Yeah, there's a young photographer, had some stuff out.
Yeah, he's a teenage photographer and we bought.
That looks like it's the tree out of Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves, where he jumps across the
£50.
Is that all it was? Wow. Oh yeah, Maximus is playing his game. It certainly is. It certainly is.
That's what I want on mine.
You're not getting a stone. You're getting burnt in a box like me. Oh, it's open. Oh, it's a centre opening one. That's nice, isn't it?
Can we ring the bell?
No. Can we ring the bell? I wonder if he have flood in it at some point in time.
No.
Maybe, because obviously there's a lot of water around.
Oh, to get me robot.
No.
Robot's at the car, so we'll load the van.
Robot's been to lots of churches.
Oh, I was getting robot.
Wow, some lovely stained glass in here, isn't there?
Can I have me robot? He's still in the van.
He's in the van, Robot. You'll just have to...
We'll be here 5 minutes.
We're just having a look, Maximus, and then we're going. Right, we'll have a look around anyway. It's a beautiful church. I know, the stained glass is lovely. I know. We love churches. What can we say? As much as we like it here, I think we're going to have to move, aren't we?
Yeah, it's very busy now.
It is, and people are starting to park wherever they want to, really, wherever they can get. So as much as we tucked ourselves away on the actual gravel bit, someone's still come in and parked directly in front of us. But hey ho, someone's right down the side of us as well, and we feel like if we don't move now, we'll be wedged in for probably a few hours while people do all the walk. So we're just going to have to move up the way a bit. Oh, come on down to find me, 'cause only you're gonna love if you set me free. Back in Elsden, back to bring Billy's key back, and we'll probably just do a quick wash, Maximus his shorts and stuff. The river's looking fast. Oh yeah, it's definitely deeper today. So the boy can have a play, we can sort some stuff out, leave Billy his key, and then we'll head over to the Lake District for later on. Something smells really good. Is it the fete today? Oh, I wonder if the village fete's today then. The church has got its lights on. It smells very good. Was it nice? Yeah. Okay. It's a bit busier, isn't it? But oh, just eat a steak pie now. Do you want a steak pie? It is today, the village fete. Cute little leaflet. They've got tea and cakes going on in the village hall, and there's lots of folk. But if we want to go up, we'll have to nip up and have a look, because it's 12 till noon, let him have half an hour. Do you want tea and cake? Thanks for watching.
And if you want to support us, give us a like and subscribe.
Yeah, that's the best way to support us, is please.
Costs you nothing.
Yeah, it's free. Please like, subscribe, and if you can, share our videos. We'd like to grow our little channel.
A picture on the wall, a moment frozen.